This channel makes an astounding $376,300 per month, and the second channel effortlessly pulls in $63,900 per month. Additionally, the third channel is generating an incredible $328,700 just by posting YouTube shorts on shower thoughts, would you rather, and fun fact stuff. The best part of these channels is that none of the creators show their faces on camera, write scripts, or handle video recording. They simply use their voice and minimal editing to make their videos stand out. Now, I know you're eager to learn how you can replicate this success without even appearing on camera or recording lengthy voiceovers. In this video, I'll show you how you can achieve the exact same results and make your channel go viral. First things first, we need a fantastic YouTube channel name that resonates with our content. Let's tap into the AI magic of ChatGPT. I'll type in, give me 20 unique names for my YouTube channel where I want to post videos on shower thoughts, would you rather, and some fun facts. ChatGPT doesn't disappoint. From the list, I've chosen Mind Ripples as our channel name. Now, we need to create a profile picture and channel banner for our YouTube channel. For this type of content, we can use meme characters. I'm using Shrek's image as our profile picture. For the channel banner, we can either use templates from canva.com or create our own. Since the logo of our channel features Shrek, a green color scheme is perfect. I'll select green color for the banner. Now, let's ask ChatGPT for 20 engaging and funny captions for our YouTube channel banner. Choose a caption from the list and copy-paste it here. However, keep in mind that focusing on the visual appeal is crucial for channel growth. With our channel looking fantastic, it's time to focus on creating YouTube shorts. Let's head back to ChatGPT, and this time, follow me as we generate a treasure trove of shower thoughts, would you rather questions, and fun facts in an Excel sheet. Copy the results and save them for later. To make our shorts even more appealing, let's add mesmerizing gameplay footage. I'll search for Minecraft gameplay parkour on YouTube and find a fantastic video to use. Copy the video link and download it using savefrom.net. And don't forget, always credit the creator in your video's description, it's essential to show respect in the YouTube community. Now, I'm going to let you in on an AI gem, 11labs.io, where we can effortlessly generate voiceovers with lifelike clones. For our shower thoughts content, I'll paste 3 captivating shower thoughts, select a fitting voice, click on generate, and let the AI work its magic. Once the voiceover is generated, you can download it by clicking on the download icon. Now, let's edit our content. Open up CapCut.com, a powerful and free video editing tool. Create an account and choose Download for Windows to edit offline. Once you're on the home page, click on Create New Video and select a 9:16 ratio for YouTube, Instagram Reels, or TikTok videos. Import the voiceover and gameplay video we prepared earlier. You can also add background music to enhance the video's impact. Arrange these assets on the timeline as layers. To ensure seamless storytelling, cut the gameplay where the voiceover ends by using the shortcut key Ctrl+B. Adjust the background music's volume to -18 dB to -20 dB, as it's the best setting for background music. To make our content accessible and engaging, let's generate captions with auto captions. You can customize them as you desire or use mine as inspiration. Additionally, you can add stickers and animations for that extra flair. However, I'll leave it here. Once our video is perfected, it's time to export. Click on the export button and name this video. I'm calling it Video Purpose. Choose 1080p resolution and set the quality to high. I'm also setting the frame rate at 24 frames per second to give the video a cinematic motion. For the video format, I'm leaving it on MP4. After adjusting these export settings, click on the Export button. The rendering process will take a few moments. Once the rendering is completed, click on the Download button to save this video to your disk. Now, it's time to share our creation with the world. Publish the video on YouTube and watch your channel grow. If you want to take your channel to the next level, use SEO tools like vidIQ to optimize your content and boost your channel's reach. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel requires consistency, creativity, and engaging content. Now go out there and create some amazing content.
Shower thoughts. The heart's whispers hold the keys to mysteries, guiding us through the labyrinth of emotions. Embrace vulnerability, and you'll unveil